guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Today we're going to be doing a humongous Ulta haul and I have so many products that I'm so excited to share with you today. So really quick before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then we do mail hauls every single Monday. There's been a lot of hauls on my channel this month just because the Sephora sale going on. Ulta actually had a sale as well, but we're going to be putting all these products to use in the month of May with lots of tutorials and product reviews, so get ready for that. But anyways, I'm really excited about this video. I did partner with Derma E for this video as well, which I'm super pumped about. Now, one thing I want to say really quick, some of these products I purchased at Ulta, and then I have a couple things that I was sent in PR that I wanted to show you guys, but everything in this video you can buy at Ulta. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first couple of items actually came from Derma E, and if you guys haven't heard of Derma E, they are a skincare brand. They are sold at Ulta. They also have their own website as well. And also with Derma E, they are cruelty-free. They're vegan, they're natural, they're gluten-free, and then they're also powered by wind energy, which I think is really awesome. They have a lot of really cool products, and so I'm going to share a couple with you guys today. So the first product I have is one I'm really excited to test out, and this is the Derma E Scar Gel. And here's what the packaging looks like. And I don't know if you guys are like me, but whenever I was a kid, I was a really big tomboy, and so I have like a couple cuts and scars and scrapes like from either just playing outside or sports or whatever. So this I've actually heard a ton of really good things about, and I'm going to take it out so you guys can see what it looks like. So it says, scoop a small amount, gently massage into the skin. For new scars, apply 2 to 3 times daily. For older scars, apply twice a day. And here's what it looks like. It is 2 ounces. So that's probably going to last you a really long time, especially if your scars aren't too big. So here's an up close of the packaging. And it says it's a non-oily gel that is proven to significantly improve scar texture, color, and overall appearance for a softer, healthier looking skin. I'm really excited to use this. If you guys have scars, like I said, I've heard a ton of really good things about it. So yeah, I'm very excited to test that out. So the next product we have is the Derma E Essentials Sun Protection Mineral Powder SPF 30. And this was a collaboration that they did with I Heart Makeup on Instagram. If you guys don't follow her, she's really awesome. But this is a really cool product because one, it is a powdered SPF. Most SPFs that you see on the market are lotions, and sometimes they can smell really bad and things like that. And then also, if you forget to put them on in the morning, then you're kind of stuck because it's hard to layer products over top of foundation and powder and all that. So this product, here's what it looks like. It is a powder SPF. So you basically can put it on even after you do your makeup. So here's kind of like what it looks like, and I'll put it a little bit on so you can see. It is like translucent. So let's say that you have had a long day and maybe you want to go out like to a ball game in the summertime or wherever you're going to be outside. You can apply it. It's going to absorb the oil in your skin. And then also if you feel like your SPF is just running low or you feel like you're getting burnt, then you can use this and just throw it on. And it's easier than carrying a liquid in your purse, in my opinion. So this is really great. I actually have this and I have been using it. And I love that it's like translucent and it sinks into your skin and it doesn't leave any kind of like overcast. So this is a product I can attest to because I have used it before. Okay, next product is the Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. Okay, so basically this serum, it says it's a nourishing double action powerhouse serum that is formulated with multi-peptides, and it's going to help reduce the appearance of deep lines and wrinkles. And again, here's what it looks like. I always like when I get skincare to actually try it like on the back of my hand just to kind of see the kind of texture that it is. So it comes out almost like in a thicker sense, but when you rub it in, it does get like very almost like thin, which is good because then I feel like it's going to sink into the skin really nice. It's not going to be like a thick, heavy layer, but there's what it looks like. It has a slight fragrance to it. To me, it kind of smells like a spa, which is actually really nice and something that I would probably like going to bed. So I'm excited to try this out. You can use this morning and night as well. And then we have the Derma E Essentials Radiance Toner. I'm pumped about this because I actually just ran out of the toner that I have been using. So I can't wait to try this one out. This one is alcohol-free and it's an exfoliating toner that helps tone, tighten, and brighten for a soft, smooth, and luminous appearance. It also has glycolic acid in it that helps remove dead skin cells for younger looking skin. So really excited to try these. And then the very last thing they sent over is the Derma E Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. And I love vitamin C. I actually use vitamin C every single day before I put on my makeup, like in my skincare routine. So this one has hyaluronic acid in it. It says it's a concentrated serum that helps boost collagen, minimizing the look of fine lines, wrinkles, while improving uneven skin tone. So you can use it in the morning or evening. And again, I'm gonna squirt a little pump of this on my hand. Ooh, yeah, it does look like, again, it's going to be a nice kind of like thinner vitamin C. Oh, and this one smells so good too. It kind of smells like fruits. So as you can see, it definitely gives you a little bit of a glow when you first put it on. So yeah, I'm very excited to try these out. Let me know down below in the comments, what's your favorite Derma E product? What have you tried out? I'm going to be putting these to use up front in my skincare section, so I will keep you guys updated. But I think I'm the most excited about the Scar Gel and then also the toner. So I'll keep y'all updated on that. And again, thank you so much to Derma E for partnering with me on this video and also for sending these products over for me to try out. Okay, moving on to some makeup. So next thing is the Nars Wanted palette, and I did get the Wanted 1 palette. I've been so excited to try this and I can't believe it's finally in my hands. So here's what the packaging looks like. I always love Nars packaging because I feel like it's so durable and it's really good for traveling because I feel like you could drop these and it wouldn't break. Don't try that at home. So anyways, this is a blush palette and you get 6 different blushes. And here's what that looks like. So you have some pinks, you have a purple shade, and then you have more of like a nude shade. So I'm going to swatch these so we can see how they look. So the first one's actually more of a highlight shade and it looks very, very pretty. Okay, so here are the first 3 shades. These are just such pretty shades, especially for like the spring and summer too. Okay, so here is what the first row looks like. Obviously very pigmented. I cannot get over how pretty that highlight shade is right there. It is like very blinging and in your face. So there's the top row. Okay, and then here is the bottom row. I feel like these are probably shades I would grab more. And the middle shade is like a blush, but it also has like a sheen to it, which I think is so pretty. And then you have that beautiful bright pink. I just want to put these like all over my face right now. They look so gorgeous. I love Nars products. I feel like the quality is always there on any product that I've tried from them. And yeah, I'm excited to test these out. So let me know if you want to see this in a first impressions tutorial. So the next thing I picked up is the Velvet Lip Glide set. The last time I checked, this wasn't available, so I'm going to see if I can find it and link it down below for you guys. I've been wanting to try their liquid lipsticks for the longest time, and they had this cute little set that was actually an Ulta exclusive, so I was like, oh my gosh, this is such a good time to try them. They're actually a pretty nice size as well. Like, let me put these up to another lipstick. So here is a MAC lipstick, and then here's the Nars. So you're getting a really nice size for, I think it was around $45 for the set. So the first one we have is the shade Rapture. Oh, yes. This is like all I want in a liquid lipstick, like to be really creamy and moussey. That's how I like my liquid lipsticks. I like the brands that come out with the ones that aren't like super matte and drying. So there's that one right there. Oh, so pretty. And that is Rapture. I'm probably gonna fall in love with all these shades and like want to own them all. Oh, look at you go. Okay, the next shade we have is called Night Together, and this is kind of more like a mauvey dusty shade. Here's what that looks like. And again, that is Night Together. Next we have Californication. And this is more of like a kind of purple shade. This is a shade that I would probably wear on a day-to-day basis because I like those like purpley tones. And then we have Immoral. Now this one's definitely a brighter shade. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. This is stunning. This is like a shade that I would love to wear and rock in like the springtime when like you're wearing like really fun colors. I obviously like have on today more of like a winter look only because it's been so cold and rainy in North Carolina. I feel like it's not spring or summer. Like I don't feel like it's ever gonna come. Okay, next shade we have is Staying Alive. And these are all so wearable, which I'm so glad they put these kind of shades in this set. I feel like they're all probably wearable though. I haven't really checked out the full collection. There's that one swatched. And then very last one we have Burning Love. And this is more of a bright red. Okay, and then there's Burning Love right there. So here's a close-up of all those shades, but really pretty, and I cannot wait to see how they wear. Next product is something that I've been wanting to try for a long time, and this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, but this is their darkest shade. So I have their bronzer. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's one of my favorites. I haven't used it in so long though, but they came out with new shades, and since summer is right around the corner, I wanted to get the darker shade just to test it out with, you know, a darker skin tone. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh. This, like, to me just smells like vacation. It just like reminds me of being at the beach in the summertime. So here's what that shade looks like. That is actually a really, really pretty shade. I love that their bronzers aren't too warm because I feel like it makes it so much more wearable. And I feel like they could even go a little bit darker than this. I mean, this is the darkest shade. I remember feeling the same way about the other one, and it actually surprised me once you put it on how much darker it looks. So I feel like this one's probably going to do the same thing. I mean, I'm pretty fair right now, so it does look, you know, a lot darker on my skin right now. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. And I also really want to try out their blushes too. I've heard a ton of really good things about their blushes, but I don't own any of them. So next up, I grabbed the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries. I actually saw Roxette Arista do a tutorial with this. It was like a smoky eye, and it was absolutely stunning. And so I wanted to try it out. So here's what the packaging looks like. I need to take the plastic off of it. All right, there we go. Nice and pretty. Oh, I knew that it had cracked. I just knew it because on the outside, there was like powder. I'm just gonna see if I can like dump this. So here's what the palette looks like. So you have like a really light tan shade, and then you kind of move into some berry shades, and then you get into more smoky looks. So let's swatch these. I hate that, like, you know, the color that I feel like is going to be so nice to like transition in so many different palettes is the one that's broken. Ooh. Oh my gosh, y'all have no idea how hype I am. This shade is like my whole life right here. Y'all know how much I love like purpley looks. Now I do remember their shadows being like very powdery. So here they are swatched. And I feel like the other ones didn't swatch that well either, the other palette that I have by them, but they perform really well. They're just very powdery. And then let's swatch the last two. So here are those two. I mean, obviously just putting your fingers in them, they look really dark and pigmented. So we'll just have to see what they look like swatched on the eyes. Because see, here they look patchy, but again, it's really hard to tell whenever you're actually just swatching something. I haven't had a problem with the palettes I've used, so I'm excited to test this one out. Then we have the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. I've heard so many things about this. I don't know why I haven't tried it. I'm obsessed with the Bye Bye, what is it called? The Bye Bye, no, I can't even think of the name of it. Y'all know the one that I'm talking about. It's a CC cream, but I can't remember the actual name. So I picked up the shade medium because that's the shade I normally am in the other one. Let's see what this looks like. Apparently people are saying it's very, very full coverage, even though technically it's like a moisturizer. Let's see what they're talking about. So here it is swatched on the hand. Very full coverage. I probably could have went a little darker than this. Probably a lot darker than this, but that looks really nice, and it feels really good on the skin too. It feels a little bit thicker, but I mean, look at that coverage. That is a really, really good coverage. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so that again is the Bye Bye Foundation. Okay, then I had picked up at the 21 Days of Beauty some of the Brow Wiz pencils. They had them for like $10. So I picked up my shade, which is Taupe. And then I also grabbed a MAC Painterly Paint Pot because I can never have enough of these. I feel like I just go through them. It's one thing that I constantly restock because I cannot do my makeup without it. So I had to repurchase this. The next thing that I grabbed to actually use, and I ordered the wrong shade, which stinks, but this is the Loving Tan. And yes, Loving Tan is now sold at Ulta, which I'm so excited about. This is the 2 Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. I love Loving Tan. I feel like it's so fast and you're just like white to tan. Like you just stepped out of the beach kind of tan. This one is the medium, and then there's a dark and an ultra dark. And I normally get the ultra dark, and so I grabbed the wrong one, but yeah, I made it work because they didn't have the dark one at my local Ulta when I went. So yeah, I love this stuff. I would definitely recommend trying it out, and I'm going to order me a darker one since I'm out of it. And then a couple other things for PR. So Mac sent over a package, and I'm so excited. Okay, that was really weird. Okay, so they finally, after all the teasing and like sneak peeks and everything, they released the new Fix Pluses. All right. So let me show them to y'all. Okay, so here's what the packaging looks like. And they have this like really pretty gold and pink on the front. So these are basically like Fix Plus. But can you see like that shimmer in there? Let me shake it up. It is a Fix Plus, but it has this like iridescent shift to it, which is absolutely amazing. I don't know if y'all can even tell on camera, but these, they look amazing. So I cannot wait to try them. Okay, obviously you can see it. You see it? Do you see this? Do you see that? I mean, yes, I'm excited to try this. I'm putting these to the side. They aren't even going back in their packaging because they're about to get used. And then they also came out with the Strobe body lotion. I don't think that this is an old one. I think this is a new one in the shade Opalite. And I've swatched it before. It is gorgeous. So let me swatch it on the hand so you guys can see what it looks like. It just gives your skin the most beautiful, I mean beautiful sheen to it. It's almost like you have a highlighter on your skin, except it's in a moisturizer. Ugh. Gorgeous. Again, putting this up front, using this on the daily. And then the last two things are the Extra Dimension Skinfinishes. Yay! So they finally came back out with Whisper of Guilt, and I've never swatched Whisper of Guilt. I saw so much hype about this. So, okay, almost dropped that. Let's just act cool. Here's what it looks like. Let's swatch it. Let's see what the magic is about. Okay, I see you, Mac. Dang. Okay, I've got to use this real quick. And then the next one is the shade Show Gold. Now this one is almost like a shift of pink and gold, just depending on what way you move it. Ooh, look at that. So here what those two look like. Oh my gosh, they are just absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to put these on my face. So thank you so much to MAC for that package. And again, you can find all that stuff at Ulta, the MAC stuff that I just showed you. And then there's one more package I want to show y'all. It's an Ulta exclusive. Okay, so the very last thing is something CoverFX sent over, and this is their Gold Bar Highlighting Palette. It is an Ulta exclusive, but it's also on CoverFX.com, but it's not sold in Sephora. Y'all know what I mean. So anyways, it's $39, and it comes with 3 different beautiful shades. Here's what it looks like. So you have a gold shade, a more silvery shade, and then a copper shade. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Ooh, pigmented. And then here's what they look like swatched. Oh my gosh, these are freaking gorgeous. Let's put a little bit on the face. Let's do that like rose gold. Okay, I'm just not even messing with this. I'll just like put it on with my finger because this brush is terrible. It's not terrible, but it's not good for what I'm trying to do it for. Oh, it made it kind of patchy. Okay, I'm just gonna have to get a regular highlighting brush for that. So, anyways, yeah, that is the CoverFX palette. Really pigmented, really excited to use it. And it says it, Okay, so the first couple of audit, kind of running low, is kind of, God, I can't speak. It also has glycolic acid in it that helps renew, and I love, and they have this cute little, I feel, oh no, it's like slung a bunch of stuff on me. And yeah, that is going to complete this Ulta haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.